What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we are at the Streetcar Takeover Charlotte 2023 drag racing. Hard to hear some roll racing going on over there. They've been going at it, I think, since about 8 o'clock this morning. Anyways, we're walking up to the track now. We'll go check out some cool races. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video. And if you do like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
play in these cars.
All right, and with that, my phone is dying, and I got some stuff that I got to go do. We're going to a concert tonight, but had a great time out here today, watching some races, seeing some really cool cars. As you can see, the street race class is still lining up behind me. They got a lot of racing left to do. Looks like they're going to go back out to Twin Peaks tonight as well for the third night in a row, which is kind of cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had a blast out here at my first Streetcar Takeover racing event, at least. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You can browse, see what else I got going on this channel as well. See you guys in the next video. Peace.